Hi there, today going to learn about how to change the drop-down menu layout either horizontally or vertically in our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website and here is our menu. And then what we can do, we can click on manage menu to see if we have some sub-menus in our pages right here so that we can have the drop-down option. And as we can see, we already have some sub-menus right here, and then we can proceed. And then from here, we'll click on the layout button right here. And then we have this window right here. And then we can click on the drop down layout. And then we have different options right here. So we can either choose columns or flyout. So for columns, it looks like this and it will be listed horizontally. And if you choose the flyout, it will be like this and it will be listed vertically. So you can choose from the two that you want right here. For example, I will choose columns, and I can choose if I want the width to be stretched across the website or it will fit the menu. You can also choose the number of columns if you have different items right here. So currently it is listed at 3, so you can change this if you want to. You can also choose the space between the menu and the drop-down menu if you want, so it will look like that. Then from here, you can also choose the column alignment if it is right, center, or left, or justified. You can also change the total width of all columns and the spacing between the columns. And again, the text alignment between the columns. You can also have some paddings and then some vertical paddings and then spacing between items. And then once you're done, you can just click on preview and preview it. So we'll do it. And then once I hover over items that have different submenus, so the drop-down menu will open up. But if we chose the flyout layout, it will be vertical. So let's just change this right here. Click on layout, drop down, click on flyout, and then you can also edit some other items here if you want. So again, click on preview. And then when we hover over our items, our drop-down menu is now vertical. And that is how you change the drop-down menu layout either vertically or horizontally in our Wix website. And that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.